Hello again, traders. Right, it's been a while since I made a video, so I thought I'd put this one together, and this is a really important point that I do quite often forget to mention, or don't mention it enough. I know I have mentioned it in a video before, but I'm going to label this video Elliott Wave ABC reversals, 3 swing reversals. Now, Elliott Wave is what this whole method is based on. My mentor, guy who showed me 5 swing trends, which is what this is, and then obviously the 3CR came about as a result of seeing what the fractals of those, or should I say the fractal nature of those swings turned into higher time frame candlestick analysis, which is what the 3CR is. The 3CR just means you can draw your levels with precision, and you can see when a trend is in place just by looking at 3 or 4 candles, well, a handful of candles, 5 candles, whatever. So ABC reversals, what am I talking about? Well, if you look at this line chart on here, you can clearly see when I entered my long trade we had one swing, so we'd only had swing A. We're in a downtrend, boom, swing A, swing B, swing C, and now we could expect it potentially to do a swing 4, and then it'll go either swing 5 that way, or it'll go swing 5 back with the higher time frame trend. So, you know, that's it. If we were going to go long, I would expect to see this level here broken through and tested. You know, same old rules, same old stuff. Look back on my old videos or look back on my charts, and you know, once again I'm going to have a rant. I notice my videos don't get watched an awful lot, which is why I don't make that many of them nowadays, because they're all covered in the old ones. And to be fair, it seems that people just want to be hand-fed stuff by charts, by trade calls, and quite frankly it's annoying. Anyway, end of rant. You know, if you want to become a good trader, then you have to put in the hours. Otherwise, forget about it, guys. Forget about receiving signals, because what happens when those signal providers go, you're fucked. Excuse my French. So, back on track. ABC reversal, ABC. So when you can stack a load of different things into your, you know, tick a load of boxes. Like, let's have a look at the higher time frame. This massive blue area here, supply and demand from here. So what have we got? What tick boxes can we tick? We can tick that price is bouncing off of a supply area. I drew that line on that high there. Remember, I talk about price tries to find the last level of resistance. That's the last level of resistance in this swing here, and the whole price bounces off it. No surprises for me there. You know, that's one tick box. Another tick box, we're at this massive area of supply and demand. Tick box 2. Tick box 3, time of day. It's post 9 AM. When reversals, you know, we've had this massive move up, we've had a massive move down. This really is a sort of accumulation distribution phase, but they still want to hunt liquidity. That's another tick box. Are we hunting liquidity? Time of day, support and resistance. This is a 3 swing trend to the downside. So what happens after 3 swings? We get a 4th swing, and then a 5 up or down. So another tick box. So many things in our favour. The priceless indicators that I use. You know, if we go on the lower time frames, we can start to see the indicators doing their stuff. Prior to my entry, of course, this looks flat as a pancake. Put it on M5, and all of a sudden we have, prior to my entry, we have the TMA slope would have been like this, all green. We have RSI histo, bust, pullback, break and close, growing momentum. That's why I hit it there, because it could have gone without me. The stops around about here, they do their job perfectly well. So you have to trust your stops, you have to trust your analysis, you have to trust your experience, and it takes years to gather this amount of experience, and it will take you years too, most likely, unless you're a genius. You know, there are plenty of those around as well. I know there are members of the 3CR squad, naming no names, Simon and Aaron and plenty of others, Mike, both Mikes, and it goes, the list is endless. Apologies. The whole of the night crew, of course, doing well, Chris, and it goes on and on, Katie. So anyway, so we've ticked numerous boxes now, and I've not even mentioned the descending trend lines. So descending trend lines drawn on the chart hours and hours before they're tested. Here, following the line chart and that angle down there, that was on my chart hours before. This one connecting here and here, and that gets broken before my entry. This one tightened up right down to this support level here, and as you can see then, good old Elliott wave. Although I don't study it, it's overcomplicated. All you Elliott wavers, I admire you, but I think it's overcooked. So swing A, swing B, and there's swing C. So, once you've got swing A in place, clearly visible there, as I said, then you can expect swing B and C to happen. Again, it's the time of day. You could say, why didn't this one happen here? Well, it did in fact happen on the lower time frames. Let's mark that there and look at the lower time frame. A, B, C. There was a good 8 pips there. I checked it. There you go. And once again, having said that, look, time of day is bad. Straight into the 89 EMA, unlike this point here. We tested the 89 EMA. That's important too. That's another tick box. That's why it's on the charts. And also really, really tight sort of into the dragon as well, although the dragon was still visible here as well. But when I looked over on the left hand side, a huge amount of support and resistance there. You could say, oh, that's got a great place for liquidity and a target. So, time of day is bad there. We're trying to go down. We know we're in a downtrend, so that would have been discounted without a shadow of a doubt. But this one, we've got the time of day, we've got the all the other things that I said on the tick boxes here to make this one a far better opportunity. And remember also, they're building up for the American session, the American Open, and then later on the stock market open. So but I digress a little bit. A, B, C, that was the point of this. ABC swings are so well known because of Elliott Wave and all the experts in Elliott Wave that I'm just capitalizing on it. I see it happen so often. You can do it all over the place on every currency pair. ABC reversals, especially when you've come out of 2 massive swings, long and short. Okay, I hope that sets off some eureka moments, some light bulb moments for people. Have a great day. Sorry for the rant, but it becomes a bit tiresome producing videos when people can't be bothered to watch them. And I'm not talking about you guys that watch them religiously. Of course, you're the guys that are making money trading. The losers that are not making money trading are the ones looking for shortcuts. Sorry to be brutal, but that's honest. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.